వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవకథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం येन తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. ఎపిసోడ్ 6 మానదేన. There are also opposite examples. Daksha, he made a big mistake. He came into a assembly. Everybody stood up. He was very colorful clothes and he was in very colorful clothes and he was appointed by Lord Brahma. All the Prajapatis, other even sages also stood up. When they see the Daksha, Lord Shiva, he was sitting down. He did not rise. Daksha was thinking in a materialistic way. Lord Shiva was my son-in-law. Not only his son-in-law, but he is always in rubbing ashes throughout his body. Skeleton has his garlands. His hands are crematorium. What is this business? Not respecting me. I am such a great personality. I am doing so many sacrifices, one after the other. He is not respecting me. But actually, Lord Shiva was respecting him. He knew the mentality of Daksha. Because he is such a great personality, he is offering respect to the super soul in the heart of Daksha. But Daksha was thinking that respect is offered to the body. Because Lord Shiva was not offering to Dandavats at least 20 times to Daksha. That is Daksha's expectation was. Because he did not do that. He made a big miscalculation. Later on, cursing and counter cursing, and Lord Shiva leave that place out of respect. For whom was he respecting? He wanted the sacrifice go on for the pleasure of Lord Vishnu. He knew that these people would not leave up their quarreling and cursing, counter cursing. The best thing he would do, he leave the place. If he leaves, the followers will leave. The cursing will stop. So the real respect that was offered by Lord Shiva to Lord Vishnu. Daksha could not see that. And in any situation, whatever respect we are offering to anyone is simply to please Vishnu. Is it not to the body? We are more pleases the senses temporarily. When your real respect or substance of respect is real for Lord Krishna, respect is very delicate quality. Respect is the basis of all relationships. If respect is missing, then the relationship is superficial. Is based on diplomacy, trying to extract from each other. Is not based on something genuine. True respect is possible only in relation to Krishna. If we don't see only in relation to Krishna, how dear is something to Krishna? Why do we respect Srimati Radharani? Why do we respect gopis of Vrindavana? Because they are so dear to Krishna. Not themselves as small damsels. By really, you can calculate them 10 or 12 years old. Materially, we calculate 10 or 12 years. We are offering so respect. So respect is nonsense. So unless we learn to see spiritual vision, from the point of view of Krishna. Spiritual vision means things from the point of view of Krishna. Unless we learn to see things from the point of view of Krishna, our respect will be lacking. To see devotees or any living entity from the viewpoint of Krishna means to see the eyes of scriptures. We must have scriptural knowledge. What is the relationship with everything in relation to Krishna? We must be clearly situated in a Sambandha Jnana. Therefore, the devotees sometime to have disrespecting him. Presidents of the country, Srila Prabhupada said, President Pig, like that he called. He referred to them, Mr. Pig. Srila Prabhupada is not respecting them, but Srila Prabhupada was respecting the presidents. What he was disrespecting was the misbehavior of president in the name of representative of God. We do not respect, very important, we do not respect the misconduct of the persons. We respect them, we do not respect them for his misconduct of them. We see intrinsic value to Krishna. We try to offer respect. Krishna himself makes a different differentiation. Here is a demon, here is a devotee. So we must definitely differentiate. If we don't differentiate, we think we are better than Krishna. Like Mayavadis say, everyone is God. Krishna is saying, here is demon, here is a devotee. He was not saying everyone is one. So then we are greater than Krishna? No. It is disrespectful towards Krishna. Devotee perspective, according to Shastra, it is not whimsical perspective. Krishna says, Avajananti mam moda manasim tanumasritam parambhavam ajananta mamabhota maheshwaram. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada says, fools and rascals. Sometimes people get disturbed. Why Srila Prabhupada calls fools and rascals? I am not calling. Krishna is calling. If Krishna is calling, if I don't call, I become disrespectful towards Krishna. So I must call. Of course, we should not call everybody like that. We don't have that regard. He has that regard. Prabhupada has that regard. But in our heart, we should be clear. Here is a demon, here is a devotee. That is required. To see things properly, needs to train properly. Rupa Goswami says how to respect. Mukunda Prabhu, at the middle of night in Kaji's house, he said, what are you doing here? Kaji said, what are you doing here at the middle of the night? Then Mukunda Prabhu told, you say just Hare Krishna, I will go immediately. Then Kaji said, I will chant tomorrow Hare Krishna. Why tomorrow? You are already chant. This is the beauty of the devotee. He gives chance to the people to chant Hare Krishna. After this, he offers all respect to people. Oh Prabhuji, you chanted Hare Krishna. Very nice. Then you can imagine the compassion towards all living entities. In the case of Vasudeva Datta, he was saying to Lord Chaitanya, my dear Lord, I will continue this episode in next episode. I am stopping here. This is a great elaborate matter. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, हिताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे